Alright, I had a really good time making chicken last week. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Why don't we take a look at the YouTube comments? For the record, leave this guy alone. He just wants to be an internet tough guy. Aw man, I'm a garbage human. It's probably because I was wearing pajama pants and Chris doesn't like pajama pants. Let's change. There we go. I am now a rainbow unicorn. Take a look at my rainbow horn. Isn't it cute? Yeah, I'm still gonna wear my pajama pants. Alright, today let's make mushroom soup. So we're gonna need mushrooms, flour, chicken stock. I'm gonna use unsalted here because we're gonna add our own salt later. Salt, pepper, thyme, onions, garlic, butter, and then we're gonna have some heavy whipping. Let me go pick that up. All right, we're gonna have some heavy whipping cream, and we'll put it up here. Yeah, that's what we're gonna use. All right, it's time to get shopping, so let's roll up our rainbow sleeves, and here we go. Huh. Oh, all right, they're done already. The magic of movie making. Very indelicately chop up your onion and make sure to take notice of my terrible knife skills. I'm probably doing this wrong. Alright, we're gonna give our garlic a little bit of a smush to help peel it, and then we are going to forget to record chopping it up. Welcome back to my dirty stove, and I guess now Chris is the one that is upset that a lot of cooking must be going on there. We're gonna put our butter in the pan, swish it around a little bit on low heat, let it bubble up and brown up a little bit. So now we're gonna add our mushrooms to the pot. We're gonna swish things around a little bit again to try to get everything coated in the butter. Gonna add some salt to help the mushrooms give up their juices. Then we're going to keep on swishing around. I'm not going to stir right now. I'm afraid of disturbing the mushrooms too much. I don't want to accidentally break any of them. And the reason for that is because we are about to look for sexy mushrooms. Now, what is a sexy mushroom? This is a sexy mushroom. So is this one. Oh my god, look at this sexy mushroom. These mushrooms are so incredibly sexy, I can't even help it. Oh my god. Have you ever seen a mushroom this sexy? Alright, we're going to save these mushrooms for later. Add your out-of-focus onions, then add your in-focus onions, give everything a bit of a stir, add your halved garlic cloves, and then let it sit for a while and simmer. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of flour, stir that in and let it cook for a minute before adding the stock. Alright, so we're just going to pour the... I think I was supposed to shake this before using it. Oh god, there's more. Alright, well, we're gonna stir this around, and it won't look so gross anymore. Yeah, reading labels is a good idea, folks. Alright, so now we're gonna add some pepper, thyme, stir things around a little bit, and then we're gonna give it a taste. Alright, tastes pretty good. We are going to let it simmer now. Cover it up and let it simmer for like an hour. Alright, it's an hour later now. Let's take a look at everything. Yeah, that looks good and all, but we're not done yet. What we're going to do now is take about 3/4 of the entire soup mixture, and we are going to transfer that into a blender. And then we are going to blend it up, and we're going to blend it for a while because we want things to be like nice, smooth, and creamy. But you want to know what would really make it creamy? It's cream. What else was it going to be? Cream is creamy. So what we're going to do now, we are going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream to our mixture. If you want this to be a little bit lighter, you could use like whole milk or something that's not heavy whipping cream. Maybe you can even just put whipped cream in there. I don't know, I'm not a chef. You do whatever you want. Alright, why don't we give this a taste? Wow, that's really good. Alright, why don't we just, just to confirm, have a little bit more. Oh my god, that's fantastic. Okay, let's have some more. Oh my god, this is really great, guys. Alright, you know what, before we eat everything out of the pot, why don't we try to plate this up or something? I don't know what counts as a fancy serving vehicle, so I'm just using a cup here. That's fancy, right? It's important to spill some down the side and not notice it for a little while, but I will notice it right about now. Gives me a good opportunity to taste the soup again. Oh yeah, let's get some more of that. Put on our sexy mushroom. That does look pretty fancy. Add a little bit of paprika for more fanciness, and I think it is time to dig in. I am super excited for this. Smush some stuff around and have a taste. So yeah, maybe I am a garbage human, but at least I have sexy mushroom soup. Echo, stop. Echo, stop. Shit. Oh, God, I'm a mess. I'm a sad unicorn. Echo, continue.